everybody, Allison Berlin with HealthyHappyHere.com. Welcome back to Tuesday Healthy Hits. I get a lot of my clients asking me, how do you stay healthy when you travel? And so as I'm getting ready for an extended vacation, I thought I would share with you some of my top secrets for keeping happy and healthy while I'm on the road. My first trick, trail mix. And this isn't the kind you buy in the store. This is what I make myself. So I've got pecans, macadamia nuts, raisins, goji berries, almonds, walnuts, and I keep it all organic and all raw, and I just make my own, and I keep a little baggie with me. So if I ever get a little bit munchy or a little bit hungry on the plane or when I'm driving in a car, I can have this with me. The second thing I really love to take with me is oatmeal packets. Now this is an organic, all natural oatmeal, just plain oatmeal. When I'm at home, I like to eat just regular still oats or rolled oats, but that's not always possible on the road. So this is a really good alternative. It packs easy, and most hotels have a coffee pot anymore. So I just run the hot water through rather than making coffee and make myself a little packet of oatmeal. And you know what's really good? I throw a little bit of that trail mix on top, so get a little crunchy with the creamy oatmeal and a little sweetness from the raisins, and ooh, it's awesome and tasty. Another thing I'm sure I don't leave home without is my own herbal tea. I like to travel with dandelion root, my peppermint tea for after meals, chamomile. It's awesome to have on a plane when everyone else is having a coffee. I just ask for a little hot water and maybe lemon if they have it, and just make my own little tea. Another thing I'm always certain to have with me is my essential oils. If I've got a slight headache, I put a little peppermint on the back of my neck or on my temples to relieve any discomfort. I also like to take my lemon oils. When I'm home, I like to take organic lemons and have that in my water and sip on that all day. It's good for digestion and keeps the liver functioning okay. But lemons aren't always easy to find, especially organic lemons when I'm traveling. So I take my lemon oil with me and I keep a couple drops and have it in my water all the time. And also my lavender oil. Helps to make hotel rooms smell a little bit better, but it's also nice and calming. So at the end of the day, if I'm a little bit tired, I put a little lavender oil in my hands, rub it on my neck, rub it on my chest, and it kind of helps me just calm down and relax, especially in a hotel, and calm the body and relax the mind. Something that I'm really in love with is ginger. I buy these. These are actually called gingins. You can get them in the health food store. Buy them in bulk. I think you can also buy them in a packet. And you don't have to buy the packaged ones. You can actually buy just ginger. Most health food stores will have just ginger chunks in the health food, or in the bulk section rather. Now most ginger chews have a little bit of sugar on it, cane sugar. So I just dust that off and chew it. Ginger is really good for Ginger's really good for digestion. So especially when you're traveling and you maybe get off your schedule and your routine a little bit, it's nice to have a little bit of ginger. To help with digestion a little bit after a meal. I think they taste really good, and it's also really good for motion sickness. I tend to get a little funny on long car rides, and also in the plane. So ginger helps to kind of calm all that down and relieve any motion sickness. I'm not a big fan of being hungry, so I like to travel with meal bars when I'm on the road. I don't make a big habit of it when I'm at home, but when I'm traveling, it's nice to have, one or two in your purse, or for a hotel room. You never know when you're going to be able to eat again, or if you're going to go to a restaurant that you're not sure what they're going to have. I'm really loving Kind bars right now. Most of them, they have a lot of varieties, but most of them have only about 4 or 5 ingredients, things that you can actually pronounce and you know what they are, and most of them are really low in sugar. Like this one has only 4 grams of sugar, so only 1 teaspoon of sugar for the whole bar, which if you compare it to most meal bars is about a quarter of what most meal bars have, anywhere from 15 to 20 or even more grams of sugar. So this is a real low sugar meal replacement, or a little snack if you're on the go. So it's nice to kind of have it in your purse so you can just grab it. That's how I maintain my health and happiness when I'm on the road. So what do you do to stay healthy when you're on the road? Please leave your comments below. I'd love to hear your secrets. And if you like this information, please share the love with a friend and forward this to them. So if you haven't already, head on over to HealthyHappyHere.com and sign up for Tuesday Healthy Hints. Until next week, I hope you have a healthy, happy day. Bye.